If you ever quit soda, you know it feels like breaking up with a very bubbly, very clingy ex. The can hisses, the glass sings, the bubbles kiss your tongue, and your brain lights up like Times Square. That rush isn't just sugar. It's cold, carbonation, caffeine, and of course nostalgia. No wonder it's hard to let go. Today I'm answering a real-world question I get every week in clinic. If your goal is metabolic health, fat loss, better blood sugar, calmer insulin, can diet soda or zero soda be a useful bridge, or should you ditch it for good? Stay to the end for my good, better, and best drink ladder, and a simple 2-week weaning plan that helps you keep results without feeling punished. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Dr. Tony Hampton, a board-certified family and obesity medicine doctor with a master's in nutrition and functional medicine. On this channel, we treat root causes, not just symptoms. If that's your vibe, hit like and subscribe so more people can escape the sugar trap. And in the comments, let me know if you're missing zero or diet soda. Let's set the stage. Zero or diet soda usually means carbonated water, acid like phosphoric or citric acid, flavors, sometimes caffeine and color, and non-nutritive sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, acesulfame-K, stevia, or monk fruit blends. They taste sweet with little to no sugar. What does this mean for blood sugar and insulin? For most people, common non-nutritive sweeteners do not cause a meaningful jump in glucose, and insulin responses are small or inconsistent. There's one nuance in people who don't usually consume sweeteners. Sucralose right before a glucose hit can exaggerate insulin and glucose in some studies. Translation: context matters. The big takeaway is this: if you're replacing sugar-sweetened soda with diet or zero, your glucose and insulin load almost always goes down, not up. Let's bust a myth while we're here, and that's that sweet taste tricks your body into making sugar. Physiology isn't a soap opera. Yes, there's a tiny, short-lived cephalic-phase insulin response. Your body's warm-up when food is expected. It's modest, fades quickly, and does not make your liver start cranking out sugar just because your tongue tasted sweet. If anything, that anticipatory nudge aims to stabilize, not sabotage. Now the pragmatic question: can diet soda help you lose weight compared to regular soda? In randomized programs where people swap sugary drinks for non-nutritive sweetened beverages, weight loss and maintenance are at least as good as water, and sometimes slightly better. Probably because it helps adherence and cuts cravings without adding calories. That's why in my clinic, diet soda can be a bridge, especially in the first weeks of a low-carb or keto transition. But I'm not here to baptize diet soda either. I'm here to give you a root cause perspective with honest pros and cons so you can make an informed call. Here are some pros, especially during transition. Number 1, glycemia. Most non-nutritive sweeteners don't raise glucose. Insulin effects are typically minimal. The sucralose caveat I mentioned is about timing and prior exposure. Number 2, adherence and cravings. Having a cold, fizzy, sweet option can make quitting sugar-sweetened soda actually doable. If a Diet Cola keeps you out of the bakery today, that's a win. Number 3, regulatory safety margins. Agencies set acceptable daily intakes with wide buffers. Most adults stay far below those limits with occasional use. If you have phenylketonuria, avoid aspartame. That's why labels warn about phenylalanine. Some cons: why I still want you to graduate off it. Number 1, your teeth. Diet sodas are acidic. Enamel doesn't care that it's zero sugar. Acid can erode it. Don't nurse a can all day. Have it with meals, rinse with water afterward, and wait 30 minutes before brushing. Number 2, microbiome variability. Some sweeteners can nudge the gut ecosystem and glycemic responses in some people. Not everyone reacts the same. If your CGM or cravings look worse with a certain sweetener, believe your data. Number 3, association signals. Some observational studies link intake of artificially sweetened beverages with cardiometabolic risks like arterial fibrillation. Association isn't causation, but it's one more reason for moderation. Number 4, your bones. This is a cola specific caution. Older cohort data tied cola, diet or regular, to lower bone mineral density in women. Interesting enough, non-cola carbonated drinks didn't show the same signal. Not a conviction, but a caution. Number 5, policy direction. A 2023 global guideline issued a conditional recommendation against using non-sugar sweeteners for long-term weight control. My clinical read: short-term bridge is reasonable. Lifelong crutch, not ideal. So what should you actually do? Start by understanding why you love soda. It's not just sweetness. It's code, carbonation, caffeine, ritual, and reward. That stack lights up your brain more than sugar alone. Instead of ripping away the ritual, we swap the building blocks. Here's my good, better, best drink ladder. Good is my bridge. Diet or zero soda, cap it at 1 can a day. Unsweetened diet, iced tea or coffee. Use this during the highest risk moments. The afternoon crash, the long commute, the post-dinner craving. Think harm reduction. Better, sparkling mineral water uniced with lemon or lime. Flavored salsa with no sweetener. Cold brew tea over ice. You keep the fizz and cold, lose the artificial sweet. Best. So what's best? Still water or mineral water, bone broth, and herbal teas. Hydration without sweetness retrains your palate back to human factory settings. Now, the 2-week wean I give my patients. Days 1 through 3. Keep your current number, but drink diet soda only with meals. Between caffeinated drinks, consider sparkling water. No solo soda sipping. Days 4 through 7, cut your soda count in half. Replace the rest with sparkling water plus citrus. Keep coffee and tea unsweetened to desensitize the sweet reflex. Days 8 through 10. Limit to 1 diet soda and none after 3 p.m. Protect your sleep. Poor sleep fuels cravings and insulin resistance. Days 11 through 14. Zero soda. Carbonation allowed, no sweeteners. Taste your food again. If you're low carb and feel lightheaded, salt your food to comfort. Electrolytes matter. And beyond. Use diet soda as a planned tool, not a habit. 1 can occasionally with a meal. That's it. I also encourage a simple self-experiment. Day A, water only with meals. Day B, your usual diet soda routine. Day C, try different sweeteners. Sucralose 1 day, aspartame another, stevia, monk fruit another, each with the same lunch. Check your 1 through 3 hour glucose, CGM or finger sticks, your cravings that evening, your sleep that night, and your hunger the next morning. Your body will tell you which path lowers insulin and cravings for you. A few rapid fire Q&As. Will diet soda kick me out of ketosis? Usually no. It's low or zero carb. But if it triggers cravings that lead to carbs, your behavior, not the beverage, kicks you out. Is stevia or monk fruit better? Often well tolerated, but responses vary. Some blends add erythritol or fillers. Test and track your cravings, digestion, and glucose. Is carbonated water bad for bones? Generally no. The bone signal was cola specific in women. Non-cola carbonated drinks weren't implicated. Still, build bones with protein, resistance training, vitamin D, and minerals. What about headaches or gut issues? Some people report them with specific sweeteners or with acid load. Try the self-experiment and swap to better options if symptoms appear. So you may be asking, so 1 a day forever? If your teeth, gut, sleep, cravings, and labs all look good, and it's truly 1 with a meal, occasional use can be reasonable. But graduating to better or best is the long-term move for metabolic health. Here's my clinic policy in 1 line. If you're coming from sugar soda, switching to diet or zero is a win. But the goal is to retrain your palate and your nervous system away from sweetness as a coping tool. Use the bridge, don't build a house on it. Now let's talk strategy you can start today. Number 1, pick your moments. Identify the 1 daily trigger where diet soda saves you from sugar. Keep it there for now and nowhere else. Number 2, upgrade the ritual. Tall glass, lots of ice, fizz on audio, lemon wedge. Give your brain the same cues with better inputs. Number 3, guard your sleep. No caffeine after 2 to 3 p.m. Better sleep, better insulin, fewer cravings. Number 4, salt and hydrate, especially if you're keto or carnivore. Adequate salt and fluids cut fake hunger that pushes you towards sweet. Number 5, celebrate the small wins. 1 can less this week is a big metabolic win over a year. And if you found this helpful, tap like. It truly helps this message reach someone who's trying to get off the sugar roller coaster. Drop a comment. Are you team diet, team sparkling, or team best? And what's your go-to replacement? I read comments and learn from them every day. And if you're rebuilding your palate and hormones, one last thing before we land. This video is educational and not individual medical advice. And you know I love you guys, but I'm not your personal doctor. And as we wrap up, I just want you to know I really appreciate you coming to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.